All right, we had Heart playing, then Josh went on viewing, so we've got much cooler music now because Katie's in the office. I just want to chat you through. So we currently have we currently have 4 rooms that are available for rent, which is what Katie's doing, and I'll go outside so you can, just because it's busy. And basically, what we have is these rooms they're not yet available for rent, but they're coming up available for rent. So we've done yesterday Josh did a big phone out, and a whole bunch of viewings got booked. But we just did a complete sense check of these rooms. So the one that is clearly going to get rented out is Norton Road. We've got 15 viewings booked. We know that with 15 viewings, we're almost guaranteed. So there's no point us doing any more effort on trying to get any more viewings for that, because they're now booked. Now, some people won't turn up, some people will cancel, but with 15 viewings booked and it's a great room, fine. Challenger, we've only got 3. We know that statistically we won't get a room rented with only 3 viewings. We might, but I ain't going to hope on it. So tomorrow morning, that's a real focus. High Street, we've only got V3. Again, we know it's more like between 5 and 10 viewings, probably about 5. And then for some bizarre reason, Ida has got 0. Now, to my mind, and I could be totally wrong, that tells me there's something gone wrong with the advertising. So we're working on other stuff today. Tomorrow morning, the first thing we're going to do, because it's quite a nice room, it's quite a nice house, the first thing we're going to do as a consumer is check all of the different advertising portals that we advertise on to see whether there's something gone wrong with the advertising, and then we're going to focus on it. So by Friday, Katie put the adverts up. Today's Tuesday. Monday, Josh smashed out loads of phone calls, booked 23 viewings yesterday, booked about 10 viewings today, although I do realise they don't add up, but some people have already cancelled or had their viewings already. And then we immediately go in and go, where do we need to place our work? It is not on Norton because we've got 15 viewings. It's definitely on Challenger, High Street and Ida. And that's how we basically have almost 0 voids, because we're constantly on it. That's going to be tomorrow's work. Today, I'm on mortgage review. Right, a couple of things. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, the button's somewhere, and hop over to our website, thegoodpropertycompany.co.uk. We've got free checklists I've been writing for you guys. We've got 301 download, 101 lessons that I learnt from doing the first 100 property deals. And we've got tons of packs of online workshops. We've got information on our mentoring program. So hop over to thegoodpropertycompany.co.uk. See you soon. Bye.